Awesome salute. At 6:44, we head to Mansalona Elementary, and this is Mrs. Darer's third grade class. Third grade at Mansalona, and you see exactly what they're working on, the order of operation doing math.
I remember that.
6 plus 4 times 2.
It's a 20. No.
Well, what do we?
No,
the question though is, what do you do first?
Oh.
Do you do the multiplication or the addition? Oh. And that's what they were working on. Great group of class. Melissa just whispered, "I don't remember."
I don't remember the order.
Well, these third graders
no.
certainly do, and that's what they were working on. Mrs. Darer's class, the order of math operation, and good thing to learn, and hopefully retain into your later years.
Which one is it, Joe?
I'm going to say it's 4 times 2 first. Maybe there's a special code for this. I remember we were taught in school.
Well, we'll look at it afterwards, Melissa. Anyway, we're happy to salute Mrs. Darer. Great class, great teacher, and happy to visit third grade Mansalona Elementary.